bring back means to return something. For example, I'll bring back your laptop soon. Take off means to remove clothes or to get undressed. For example, he's taking his t-shirt off or he's taking off his t-shirt. Fill in means to complete a form. For example, I am filling in the question form. Have on means to wear something. For example, she will have on her shoes or she will have her shoes on. Put out means to extinguish or to make a fire stop working. For example, the house is burning. I'm going to put it out.